Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will discuss with you, I will brief you that how you can share the YouTube videos on your Facebook page. So first of all, you have to go on YouTube backslash c backslash my tutorial. So I'm going here on my YouTube channel, and you can go here on. So here are just some videos, like I select this one, and from here is the option of share. Okay, so this is the Facebook, and here I have to mention that where I want to share that post. I want to share it on my personal profile, or I want to share to any Facebook page. Okay, so here I will tell share on your timeline, share on your friend time, share in a group, share in an event, share on a page you manage. Okay, so here I will select a page where I want to share it. So the computer shop, and anything which I want to write, anything I or you want to mention. So MS Excel 2013 tutorial number 1. So I just make it post to Facebook. If I come back to my Facebook page, so here I can see that here will be the video that I shared. So this is the video which I shared, and this is the way by which you can share your any any YouTube video on Facebook channel, on your Facebook page. So this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.